I'm Zara, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a needle felted fall guy. So this is my one here. I did the Milkshake outfit as that's what my character currently is. I don't know if you guys enjoy Fall Guys or if you play it at all. If you do, please let me know in the comments below and let me know what your favourite kind of outfit or skin is for your character as well. So let's get on with the video. So these are the colours I'm going to be needing. Pink for the body, white for the face, blue and yellow for like the milkshake, and then black for the eyes. Now this isn't really enough pink for the body, I don't think. Oh, I'm a poet. So I'm going to use some of this and then I'm going to put this colour over it just to like pad it out a bit. So I'm going to just start off by shaping this into kind of like the rounded bottle shape or rounded body shape of the character. Cool, so far I've just made like my shape to the kind of oblong shape that the Fall Guy is. I'm going to put some pink on. So here is my pink colour. So I've done the main body. Next I'm going to put the face on around here, using some of the white and then black for the eyes. So here is my Fall Guy so far. As you can see, I've done the face and the main body. It looks like a little baby or something. Okay, so next I'm going to do the milkshake cup thing, outfit thing. I can't remember what they're called in Fall Guys. Okay, so now I've covered it in like the blue and I'm kind of thinking maybe I didn't really need to cover it in all that pink, but never mind. So next I'm going to do like the lid, so I need a strip of white and then I need to try and do that swirly bit at the top. So I've done the top bit of the like milkshake, the lid part, and next I'm going to do, I think I might do the straw next actually. So I've done like the milkshake like outfit. Lastly, I just need to do the arms and the legs, and I might just make the eyes a bit smaller as they're quite big at the moment. So lastly, I'm going to put some legs on, and I'm going to use some wire just to give it some stability, because right now he keeps falling over. So lastly, I'm just going to make the eyes smaller by adding some more white. So here's my final fall guy. I think he looks really cool. I'm really happy with how he turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you want to see more content from myself, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!